Hi everybody, it's time for the third Where's the Gun box break of the afternoon. This one for a mini box of Topps Triple Threads. It is currently 2:07 on Friday, March 30th, Central Time. And here's our buyer list for a group of auctions ending on the 28th. Alright, we'll get going here, check out the box. I thank everybody for bidding and let you know about a promotion I have going on. If you're not already subscribed, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, first 100 subscribers with the YouTube channel will get entered into a free box break. And you do have to have a YouTube channel or have no name to put in the drawing and no way to contact you. So be sure you have a YouTube channel and you're signed in. We're getting close to that 100 spots there. There's still a few spots left. So be sure to subscribe today. Alright. Alright. And here we go. Start off with Matt Schaub, numbered to 999. Jordy Nelson, numbered to 999. Brett Favre, numbered 3/300. Brett Favre for the Packers. Alright, now to the hits. We have a Oaktown triple relic here. We have Taiwan Jones, Darren McFadden, and Michael Bush, and that's numbered 24/27. There you go. Hit for Oakland there. Alright. And next up we have a Vincent Brown autograph relic card, number 27/75. We got Vincent Brown for the Chargers. Alright, now two other hits here. We have Jerry Rice, numbered to 250. Not two other hits, but two other cards. Jerry Rice, numbered to 250, and Mike Williams, numbered to 999. So I'll go right back to the hits here. We have the Vincent Brown for the Chargers autograph, and then the triple relic Oaktown for Taiwan Jones, Darren McFadden, and Michael Bush. Alright, thanks for bidding everybody. Be sure to check out my other box breaks and subscribe for a chance at a free one.